This is the DOMETIC CFX3 45 liters. This is an awesome cooler. We did a lot of research and find out that this is the most convenient for us as a family to go camping mostly, but we also will use it to go to apple picking. We love that. Every year as a family we go apple picking and we bring a lot of stuff and have a nice picnic there. But for this one, we did some research. This is the top of the, not the top of the line for this one, but the brand is the most reputable company for a power cooler, a small refrigerator. One of the advantages is the ability to use DC 12 volts, so I can connect it to the car. But we also have a Jackery 2000 and also one that is smaller, 1000, that we can use when we go camping and power this cooler. So right now we wanted to unbox and see what is inside, and that's it. Then we go camping and we will test it over there. Ooh, that looks nice. What's inside? Oh, nice. So we will take care of the box. So we already opened it, and now we want to take it out. Now, some of the things that are make this also very convenient. It has a light to illuminate when you are in the dark or something. So it comes with two cables, one for DC 12 volt and another one for regular electricity, 110 AC power, and the instructions. So now I want to just take it out of here. It looks really deep. It comes also with the basket, so make it really easy and a divider to take it with you and put the things, whatever it is that you need to put, or your groceries, things that needs to be in the refrigerator. And it has the big one. You also have a smaller one right here. So this is, the divider is really good to put things in there that you want it to have compartment. Also, it's tall enough that you can put a barrel of champagne or wine to cool in there, and you still have space without any issue to close it and keep it. Now, you can use it as a refrigerator, but also if you want to make ice, you can just bring the temperature really, really low. It goes up to like -7, so you will be freezing everything inside. I don't recommend it if you want to just go camping. It's probably easier just to go and buy ice, but this is, let me take it out of the box. Also on the back it has the connectors, one for AC power and the other one for DC power. This area is also for the motor, so I will connect it to the AC power Here is where you power on. Is coming from AC, and it has a symbol for Bluetooth, and you can also do it wireless. So right now you just bring this on, set temperature, click OK. It's in -6, so let's put it in 37. That is the recommended temperature for food, regular food, and salad and things like that will not be freezing. 37. Click OK. And so this is the menu where you can control the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and the display, and also how you want the temperature to be in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Right here is a bypass for the USB, so you can charge something else from what is in there. This is open right now. It's 73 degrees inside, so it will bring it to 37 degrees. So this is awesome. We really like it, and we will put in a test in a couple of hours when we go camping. Thank you. And if you like the video, please click the like button so we can continue doing more videos like this and bring you more information and things that we really like to do in the outdoor. And it will help with the algorithms in YouTube. So hope you like it, and see you in the next video. Enjoy. Happy camping. Bye.